Imagine yourself in this 2012 Ford Fusion.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment.
The powertrain includes front-wheel drive
With a reliable 6-cylinder engine,
driven by an automatic transmission.
find your way easily with the included navigation system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop.
Let the outside in with a power sunroof.
This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride.
Keyless entry,
Leather seats,
power door locks, power windows, cruise control,
Bluetooth wireless,
an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag,
traction control,
stability control.
low tire pressure warning.
Call today to schedule a test drive.